Tower Unite is one of my favorite games of all time. I have 500 hours in this game, and you don't get 500 hours in a game if you hate it, quite obviously. But I have been having issues recently where I am not able to play my favorite game, mini golf, because half of the map is submerged underground, and when I'm walking around the plaza, the textures are all fuzzy and I can't make out any of the signs, I can't play the slot machines, I can't do anything. But I have stumbled upon the solution on the internet. The solution, too, is just so simple that anyone can do it. You can do it, your pet goldfish can do it. It doesn't take a rocket scientist. The signs don't want to load, nothing, you can't read it. And all of my settings are on ultra graphics, so I should be able to see all this stuff, clear as day. The signs can't be read, and you absolutely cannot play the Wheel of Money, which is really upsetting because the Wheel of Money has its moments of being awfully fun. Like, you can still play the Grand Quest or the Triple Diamond. Is that even what it's called? I can't tell because I can't read the sign. And as you can see in my course, there's just hills in the course and I won't be able to see parts of the course and play through. And I know on Garden specifically, I was trying to play through the other day and I couldn't get past the hole because half of it was submerged in the ground. So I just couldn't see what was going on. Absolutely could not play. But I can play now thanks to this beautiful solution I have found online. Now the solution for this texture fuzziness is to right click on Tower Unite, select Properties, and here in the General tab, you're going to want to click down in Launch Options and type in -no texture streaming. That's it, and you're going to want to close it and relaunch your game. And as you can see now that we're back in the hub, the textures are no longer fuzzy and you can actually make out the signs. Isn't that neat? And it's so simple. Now to check to see if our mini golf issues have been fixed. Just launch Island real quick. Single player, because we're not going to be playing. Ready up. And as you can see from just behind me, all the hills are gone, and you can now play freely without any issues. You can actually see the course, see what you're doing, and have fun. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.